Welcome to Ortega Aviation. We're going to turn the G1000 simulator on. Our first step is to turn on the power strip behind the PC. Turn the PC on. And it takes a minute for everything to boot up. Use the remote to turn the TV on. Okay, now we can turn battery master on. That'll bring up your PFD. Then the avionics master on. That'll bring up your MFD. Hit enter. And to start the airplane, you have the throttle closed, the mixture high. And simply turn the key to both, and you can see we've got our RPMs going. And now you're ready to fly the sim. Have fun.